let's start our class. Listen, no, let's begin our class, okay? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Teacher George. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today? How are you today? The second microphone. Can we use it? How are you today, everyone?
7.
How are you today? You. How are you today?
I'm good today.
Listen. Hold this. How are you today?
I'm good today.
You're good today. Why are you good today? Because?
Because
Did you eat breakfast? What did you eat?
I eat noodles. Yeah.
Okay. Give it this one. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Ming. My name is Rosie.
Lucy.
Rosie.
How are you, Rose, today?
I am fine today
Why are you fine?
because my breakfast is very good.
Wow. What did you have for breakfast?
My breakfast is
The
noodles
breakfast was noodles.
and milk.
Really? But I'm so hungry. Are you hungry?
No,
No?
yeah.
That's good. Who wants to try? You. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Mimi.
Mimi. Mimi, how old are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you? How old are you?
It's 11.
11. Okay. And how are you today?
I'm fine.
Why are you fine? Why are you fine? Because? Because you're happy?
Yes.
Okay. All right, that's very good. Now, today we are going to talk about
Wait.
We have the sound, and they will get lunch this sound.
Teacher,
Okay.
I want to say.
Okay.
now we're going to guess what sound is that? Who wants to guess? Is that thunder? Who can guess? What sound is that? Yes?
It's thunder.
Thunder? She says it's thunder. Yes or no? Listen. Listen. She says it's thunder. How about you? Volcano. Is it a monster? Thunder or volcano? You should play the sound again. Oh, is it a boom boom? Bah, 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 bah. Listen. Dinosaur. Huh?
You speak English.
What's that? This one says dinosaur. She says thunder. He says, Angie? Bomb. He says it's a bomb. Boom. How about you? What do you think? Do you want to listen again? Bomb?
Especially when it's not English.
Really?
Raise the Vietnamese words. The Vietnamese title.
So it's, again, stand up. Everyone listen to him. Stand up. What sound? He says it's volcano. Really? Can you show us the accent?
Volcano?
You-
Yeah, let me show you the video.
Bomb, thunder, monster. You say monster. So, what sound? It's bomb. No, it's not a bomb. Look at the picture. Okay. If you say it's a bomb, put up your hand. If you say it's a sound of a bomb, put up your hand. If you say it's a monster, put up your hand. Dinosaur, he says dinosaur. Dinosaur, we have one. And if you think it's volcano, put up your hand. Only one says it's volcano. So class, this is kindly the video again from the start. Oh, touch screen. Oh. Now look. What's this? Huh? 5? No, look at this. What's this?
Volcano.
A vol?
Volcano.
It's a vol?
Volcano.
It's a volcano. So the sound is of a. Who wins the candy? Teacher, next. I think I'll need. It was the sound of a volcano. Can you spell the word volcano? Let's spell the word volcano, okay? V-O-L-C. Okay, Oh, very good. So V-O-L-C-A-N. Oh, that's very good. Now, have you ever
Exploring volcanoes.
Wow.
Now let's watch
Adventure.
the video about volcano.
Exploring volcanoes. A fiery adventure. Do you know what a volcano is? Volcanoes are like big mountains that can sometimes explode. They are special mountains because they can shoot out hot stuff like lava and ash. Inside a volcano, there is something called magma. Magma is super hot rock that is like a liquid. When a volcano erupts, the magma comes out and flows down the sides like a river of fire. Volcanoes can be found all around the world. Some are big, some are small, some are even under the sea. When they erupt, they can make loud noises and send ash and rocks high into the sky. But volcanoes aren't just about explosions, they also create new land. When lava cools down, it turns into rock. Over time, this rock builds up and makes new land. Scientists study volcanoes to learn more about them and to keep people safe. They use special tools to measure how active a volcano is and to predict when it might erupt. So, the next time you see a volcano on TV or in a book, remember that it's not just a mountain. It's a fiery adventure waiting to happen.